Years old, I want to share with you some of the things that I personally do that I feel make me just look more vibrant, more youthful. You can agree, you can disagree, but this is just what works for me. Number one, I'm going to talk about hair because I do think it's the first thing that you notice when you look at someone. As we age, our hair changes. It becomes more brittle, more thin. It doesn't have a lot of luster and life to it. It's hard to get volume. So I do a weekly hair mask. It makes a huge difference. I know it seems so simple, but really nourishing the hair makes a huge difference just in like the shiny texture, volume, softness of your hair. Number two, if you are someone that colors your hair, I highly recommend adding a lot of dimension to your hair. So you can see my hair has a lot of different shades of blonde in it. What that does is also creates the illusion of volume. It looks like I have more full hair because of all the different shades and light and angles that it captures. Same on brown hair. Get some baby lights in your brunette hair and it will make it look so much more shiny and voluminous. Next is layers. If my hair is long with no layers, it tends to really age me. I get layers strategically cut in my hair to hit certain angles of my face. So the first layer I like to be right around the tip of my eyebrow. I find that that gives a little lift to the eye and kind of draws attention up. Next, I get a layer cut right along this jawbone. Again, I'm emphasizing that hit on the jaw and it creates this illusion of a little more lifted, sculpted. The next one I get is right here on this chin area. I find those three spots just give your face a little more angles, and that's what we lose as we age. Now you can do those same chops to your hair even if it's longer. Just 1, 2, 3. Using a good hair oil after you dry your hair is also super important to add back shine. Your hair gets dull as you age, and if you look at my hair, again, 51, colored hair, processed hair, and it still has life and it looks lively and shiny, and that is because I use a hair oil in it every single day. So not only is the hair oil nourishing your hair, protecting your hair, it adds that shine, and shine equals youthful hair. So this has been all about hair. If you want to talk about skin next, we can talk about treatments and we can talk about makeup and skincare that I use. Let me know in the comments if you want the part